To all the committee members, we represent the Phnom Sarakham Phnom Adun Vitya School. Today we are proud to present a science project on the sense of equipment for treating wastewater for fabric diving fish care in combination with oxygenation of water with a solar air pump. Origin textiles are an important commodity for Thailand's economy, but each stage of the production process affects the environment. As some industry lacks wastewater treatment contaminated with dye before discharge to water. From the concept, we another fish scale that's not exported and also smelly. Therefore, had the concept of bringing fish scale to absorb dye. Equipment sketch. Equipment component 1. The raft make the device float on the water. 2. Tilapia scale for dry water treatment then can be used to create the works of art. Tilapia scale are obtained to color absorption material test. 3. Battery for storing the energy produced from the sun. 4. Solar panel for receiving solar energy to replace electricity. 5. Type D flag with 5 oxygen strings at the bottom and approximately 3,600 holes throughout the flag. The characteristics of the bottle are based on the ability to increase the oxygen content. 6. Inverter for converting electricity to the less current applying power to the air pump. 7. Air pump for providing oxygen in water. In the color absorption test, the tests were carried out by planting 3 materials, tilapia shell, egg shell, and cocoa shell, in the plastic bottle. Then fit the air pump and open its operation by filling the air in water for 30 minutes.
Test for ability to increase oxygen content. 4 types of bottles were compared. It was found that the D-style bottle was the most effective. Working principle: put 300 grams of fish scale in a 6-liter plastic bottle by connecting the plastic bottle to the air pump. The air pump is powered by a battery powered by a solar panel. Then make a set of equipment to float in the wastewater from drying fabric and turn on the air pump switch. When the air pump is working, air bubble will generate, causing air bubble to push into the plastic bottle and come in contact with the fish scale, allowing the fish scale to absorb the color water from the fabric drying. Performance test: the amount of print in the fabric drying leaving for 50 mg per liter remains approximately 83.53%, while the amount of oxygen increased from the previous average of 3.39 mg per liter. Benefit: 1. Water treatment with tilapia scale. 2. Reduce industrial wastewater problems. 3. Add value to tilapia fish scale. Attention: 1. In a post-treatment experiment, the remaining color wash must be tested to the standard criteria. 2. The tilapia scale should be cleaned before testing.